Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about microbes in human welfare. Microbes are already all learned about microbes. Microbes are present in all the five kingdoms as per Vitagra's classification: Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. These are the five kingdoms in Vitagra's classification. So, microbes or microscopic organisms are present in all the five kingdoms in Vitagra's classification. Whereas acellular organisms like as viruses, viroids, and prions are also comes under microbes or microscopic organisms. Viruses, viroids, prions are the acellular organisms. Bacteria, fungi, that monoren's fungi, Protista, plantae, animalia, or the cellular organisms. Already have learned about the differences between cellular and acellular organisms in first PSC. The fermentation is used in the preparation of many household products like bread, dosa, idli, toddy, and other foods, etc. The production of curd from milk is by microorganisms like lactobacillus and others. Lactobacillus. What is the shape of the lactobacillus? Already have learned about the types of bacteria based on the shapes. Lactobacillus. Bacillus is a rod shaped bacteria. Okay. So, from this concept regarding objective point of view, the which shape of the bacteria are involved in conversion of milk into curd, rod shape of the bacteria. Lactobacillus, lactobacillus and others, some other bacteria are also involved in conversion of milk into curd. So these lactobacillus and others bacteria, uh, lactobacillus and others bacteria are known as lactic acid bacteria. These are involved in conversion of milk into curd. A small amount of the curd added to the milk as inoculum or starter for curdling. So there, the acid bacteria produce acids that coagulate and partially digest milk protein. Lab produces acids. So lactic acid bacteria produces lactic acid. Important for objective point of view. So lactobacillus bacteria is produces which acid? Lactic acid. What is the importance of lactic acid? That lactic acid is involved in coagulation and partially digested milk protein. Lactic acid bacteria improves nutritional quality of curd by increasing vitamin B12. So, which of the vitamin is available in curd? B12. Lactic acid bacteria check disease causing microbes in our stomach. So, lactic acid bacteria are check disease causing microbes in our stomach. This is also important for objective point of view. Which bacteria checks disease causing microbes in our stomach? Lactic acid bacteria, LAB. Okay, so from this concept regarding objective point of view, from this place concept regarding objective point of view, they may ask the Which bacteria are involved in conversion of milk into curd? Lactic acid bacteria. Which acid is produced during conversion of milk into curd? Lactic acid is produced. Which of the vitamin is present in a curd? B12 vitamin. Which bacteria are checks disease causing microbes in our stomach? Lab bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria. Okay, is it clear? The next class we will discuss some other household products.